In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to Gmail using Zapier. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Connecting these two powerful tools can streamline your workflow and make managing responses super efficient, so let's get started. First, we're going to head over to Zapier. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, which is quite simple. Once you are logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. From there, look for the Create button. It's usually at the top. Just click that to begin setting up your integration. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Zaps option. This is where all your automated workflows will be stored. Click on that, and you'll see options to create a new Zap. Now let's set up the trigger for your Zap. Look for the Trigger option and click on it. In the search bar that appears, type in Google Forms. When you see it pop up in the search results, click on it. This step is crucial, as it establishes the connection to your Google Forms. Next, the system will ask you to choose an event. Choose New Form Response, because this is the trigger that will activate your Zap whenever someone submits a form. After that, we need to set up an action. So click on the Action option. In the search bar, type in Gmail. Once it appears, click on it. Gmail will now be the other part of your workflow that reacts after your form gets submitted. Again, you'll need to choose an event for Gmail, and this time you should select the Send Email option. This is the action that will send the email once someone fills out your Google form. You're making great progress. Now, it's time to connect your Google Forms and Gmail accounts to Zapier. Follow the prompts to connect both of your accounts. If it's your first time doing this, you'll be asked to authenticate and grant permissions for Zapier to access your accounts. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be good to go. Once your accounts are connected, you will be led to a setup screen where you can customize the email that will be sent from Gmail. You can choose different options to dynamically fill in the email content based on the form responses. For example, you can set the subject line to include the respondent's name or any specifics from their submission. Don't forget to review your email setup to ensure everything looks right. Check all the fields and make any necessary adjustments so that your email delivers the proper message. Once you've completed these steps, you'll have the option to test your Zap. This is crucial. Make sure you test it by submitting a test form entry and confirming that your email is sent correctly. If everything works perfectly, you can finally turn on your Zap. Congratulations, you've just connected Google Forms to Gmail through Zapier. Now, anytime someone fills out that form, you'll be notified via email. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you set up this efficient integration. If you found this useful, remember to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy automating!